Hi, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today we're going to learn about tires and how to save money. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. All right, so we're at a tire on a Honda Accord. It is 215 5517. First thing we're going to do, 215 is how wide the tire is in millimeters. The 55 means its aspect ratio is 55% of the width of the tire, and 17 is literally how wide the tire is on the rim. So you couldn't put a 16, 18, you couldn't put absolutely nothing in here. So if you want a nice tire, one of the first things you need to do is understand these numbers. Then you need to understand what kind of vehicle. This is a passenger vehicle, so you will get a passenger tire. If you look at this vehicle right here, this vehicle is a truck tire. And as you can see, HT is a truck tire. 235, 70, 17. 235 is the width in millimeters of the tire. 70 is the aspect ratio of the tire. And 17 is how big this rim is. You cannot put a passenger tire on this truck if you are pulling or heaviness or anything like that. One of the great things that we do is we tell people is to go to eBay to order tires. Our company has been ordering eBay's tires for years and have never had a problem. All you need to do is when you get that information off the tire is just understand this number, 0 to 11. 0, that means it has no tread in it whatsoever, and I'll give you an example. This one right here has very, very good tread. As a matter of fact, we got a tire that we're going to be putting on this truck, and we'll show you about the treads. So you come right here and you see how thick these treads are. Nice and good treads. So from 0 to 11 is the number you need to know. The higher the number when you're on eBay, the better the tire will be in treads. You don't want one that's 5 or 6 because that's basically a junkyard tire that barely has anything on it. We like to order 8s and 9s because we don't drive very fast and the tire will last a lot longer, and it also saves a lot of money. If you get a 10 and 11, it's going to be more expensive. So let's look at this tire. Get the information off it. Let's see. So on this tire, it has a HT on it. And the reason why it has a HT is because we have to have a truck tire because we're hauling stuff. And if you look right here, 235, 70, 17, exactly what we need to know. And also, HT tires carries very good heavy loads. If you put a passenger tire over here, it would never make it. It will blow out. It just has no ability in any shape from a way of survivability. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Our Cash App is $, the Mobile Mechanic 757. Thank you.